it's me and Cameron. So I'm out with the ZR right now. I'm filming on my iPhone, so sorry YouTube. But yes guys, I'm just going to show you guys some test footage that I just shot. It's my first time using this camera outside on the field. I'm definitely amateur at this, so yeah. But it was okay. I don't know if I didn't have my autofocus on the right or wrong levels or whatever. I don't know. I must have my autofocus just maybe not on the right settings, because I kept like playing around with the autofocus and everything, just trying to see like what I can get out of it. And it was okay, but I don't know. There were just a few moments where the autofocus was just like lagging or not really tracking Cam's face and stuff like that. So I really want to just like practice with the camera some more and just see like what I can improve on. So yeah, and sorry that my hair is a mess, but I was in the process of taking my hair, but I wanted to get some practice on this camera. See, gotta do it. But all right y'all, I'll be back once I show y'all some stock footage. Now move back. Now come forward. Walk to the left. Like actually walk to the left, please. Now do the opposite thing on that side. Okay, now come back to center. Okay, come closer to the camera. All right, let's do it. Let's do some action. Come on, follow me. Walk. Cam, stop. Like, all right, let's do some walking shots. Walk all the way up to that puddle. Cut up. Stop. Walk in front of the... Okay. You have to keep doing that. Up. Yeah. 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 Okay, cut. Yeah, cut up. Yes.
ZR.